Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use KuCoin in the United States. While KuCoin does not directly serve U.S. residents, you can access its platform using a virtual private network. First, set up your VPN to a non-U.S. location. Then, complete your identity verification using a non-U.S. identification document. Finally, fund your account by transferring cryptocurrencies from another exchange where you can legally purchase them. This initial setup is crucial for accessing KuCoin's diverse offerings. Once your KuCoin account is ready, the next step is funding it. Begin by purchasing your desired cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, on a U.S.-compliant exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. After acquiring your crypto, transfer it to your unique KuCoin wallet address. It is absolutely vital to double-check that you select the correct network for your transfer to avoid losing funds. Consider sending a small test amount first to ensure everything works smoothly before larger transfers. With your account funded, you can now explore KuCoin's extensive trading options. The platform offers access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies, many of which are not available on U.S.-based exchanges. You can engage in various trading activities, including spot trading, margin trading, and even futures. Additionally, KuCoin provides opportunities for passive income through staking and lending programs. Remember that trading fees are generally low, often around 0.1% per trade, making it cost-effective. Before you dive deep, it is crucial to understand the important considerations. Using a non-compliant exchange carries inherent risks, including potential account freezes or loss of access. Stay informed about evolving regulatory landscapes, as rules can change. Always maintain meticulous records of all your transactions for accurate tax reporting. When you wish to convert your crypto back to fiat currency, first withdraw your funds to a U.S.-compliant exchange before initiating the conversion process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.